my channel. It's your girl Latasha Valentine here, and I'm gonna be doing a quick makeup look. Well, I do say quick all the time. To be fair, this take me about an hour, and this look is gonna be for my girl's 30th birthday party. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I get this look. I wish I was able to do the hair for you guys, but unfortunately it's just a look for now, and then I will always show you my outfit of the day. Yeah guys, so Wolande. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave loads of comments as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's go into the video. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my airspun powder all over my face. Stop doing the fake sneezing.
Powder.
Yes.
Using powder, Mom.
I'm using powder.
Using powder.
The noise level in this background is no one business, but I'm just gonna work through it.
Using powder.
Yes, powder.
Yucky.
It's not yucky.
Disgusting.
It's not disgusting.
Anymore.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, thank you. Pat that into my skin. I'm getting ready for my girl's 30th birthday. I'm super excited. Oh my god. Sungi Maruta, love you so much. Looking forward to turning up the tray. Okay, I don't know what I've done. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm apologizing for, but I'm sorry. I really hope this is not too light. I really hope. Because right about now it's looking a bit lighter than me. And I don't like that at all for me. No, not at all. I don't like this lightness. Because obviously we're touching summer and everything. Or should I say we've touched summer already. So I've gotten a little bit darker.
Mom.
Okay, so it is summer. I have gotten a little bit darker, and this foundation is looking a little bit too light for me now, which is really frustrating.
Mom, see something.
Okay.
I see something, Mom.
What did you see?
I see something on the lips.
On the lips. And then this spot, I've been trying to get rid of this spot for the last week, and it's still there. Okay, so it's looking a little bit light, as I said. Now the one that I'm wearing is what's this one? This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1, and I'm wearing the color Amber, which is number 11. I did have the other one, which is in Chestnut, but that's almost finished, and that was my perfect shade. So I thought I'm going to use, and I really like to use this because obviously it does have the concealer in it, so it does give me a really nice full coverage, and I do like a full coverage look. But I think I'm going to go in with something a little bit different, just over it, and it does look really nice. Look how nice an airbrush that looks. Oh wow. I need to get some smaller brush to do it here, these sections, because of course I don't want to mess up my brows, and then I do have my lace, which I really struggle with to put on today, but you know what, I want to turn up to this get together looking put together. Like, I cannot turn up to my best friend 30th birthday and look crazy, you know what I mean? There's no way. There is no way. So you don't know how to turn to my best friend thing looking snatch, looking fly. Yeah. Alright, so let me see. Right, guys, I haven't used this in such a long time, and I really hope it works. So this one is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. And what color is this? I can't remember. So the color now is Caramel and Toffee. I used to love this. I don't know why I'm actually guessing what I'm wearing this evening, which is really frustrating. I should just wear something that I've normally wore before. And I know it's gonna work, because obviously if I do my makeup now and it mess up, I'm not gonna have any time to change it. I'm so silly. Let's squirt a little bit on this, so, and yes, oh, it comes out a lot. It's a bit much, but it's a bit more liquidy than I remember. Okay, let's see how that goes. And guys, I'm not going for anything too over the top with my makeup. I do want to keep it a little bit neutral, but I do like a red lip, so I'm definitely going to do a red lip. I really hope it oxidizes a little bit and it gets a little bit dark. I really, really hope, because I don't want to look crazy. All right, let's go between the brows. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go off camera, get a smaller, tiny brush, maybe a foundation, or should I say a blending brush, and then I'm gonna do the top up here and then the sides, just so it doesn't mess up my my brows and my hair. So I started to mess that brow up already, which is really annoying. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come right back to do all my concealer. Oh, my lips is looking really nice. Right, so I did as much as I can in terms of blending. These two streaks, these meant to be a curly hair at the side, and it's just not working for me. I don't even know how that's going to turn out, and I'm hoping to leave out a little bit on time. Well, not a little bit on time, I was hoping to leave out on time, because I definitely don't want to be late, but I don't even know. Oh god, I definitely didn't want to be doing any rushing business, which is really frustrating. Literally, guys, I had 4 hours to spare, or should I say 5 hours to spare. I don't know how I got to this point where I'm rushing. I literally don't know how it got to this point. But I'm just going to apply this concealer, which dries really, really fast. So that's why I'm doing one side first. And you see the concealer, you can't even see it properly because my foundation is a little bit, it's just a little bit too light, so you can't really see the concealer that much. Oh, this one concealer, oh my god, it's almost finished. I'm still aiming to leave it on time. Okay. Concealer, I'm gonna put a lighter one. Okay, I think that's a bit better. I've just used the Born This Way, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and it's a little bit better. Can you see the light? It's a little bit more brighter, which is good. So now I think I need to just blend this baby out, because I don't want any lines of demarcation anywhere. So I'm gonna take my foundation brush. I mean, down here, so it's alright. And blend a little bit. But I need to do the side here as well. Okay. And then this one. Which I took this one a bit up too much, but remove. What can I do? Okay, then I got the tassel. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's it. She cannot believe I'm rushing. I had a whole day. I literally had the whole day. And I'm at this point where I'm rushing. I forgot to even put some in once. My lashes from now. Blending, blending, blending. Oh, blending, blending, blending. I think I've blended as much as I can. some coloring off the face. Let me put it that way. Okay, I'm gonna prep my lashes and then come back. Alright. Guys, this is crazy. Alright guys, I came back with the lashes. Obviously I went off camera to do my eyeshadow because I am literally pressed for time right now, which is just crazy. It was very simple. If you do want to see me do this look again, literally thorough, then just let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know and I'll do that for you. So now I'm gonna go ahead with applying some highlighter, which I've done highlighter on my nose already. Bang bang, nice. I'm just gonna do a little bit on top of my cupid bow. Right on top of my lips this, so because when I put my lipstick my lipstick on, I want everything to stand out. So I'm gonna do that. I'll put a little bit on the inner tear duct section already, and I've done a little bit underneath my brows because I like to glow, I like to shine. The noise level in the space about rolling up, it's crazy. And I went on to put on my favorite little fluffy lashes that I have for like, I've had this for maybe 3-4 years now. Yes. And that is right about now. We've got 1 hour, I think. Let me see what time it is now. Okay. Backside. 45 minutes. I've left to leave out of this place, literally. And I have not got, at least I've had a shower already, which is good. So I just need to literally get dressed. But 45 minutes. Alright, so that look good. I'm going to go and line my lips. I'm just lining my lips with this purple, more purple, what the other, magenta color. But on this occasion, it doesn't really matter what color you use because I'm gonna put on a red lip, but I just want to make sure that everything stays inside. I don't want no lipstick to go over my lips. I literally need to stay inside. I'm just making outlining that. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to put on this one, matte lipstick. This is a matte one. This one is a dark, look at the color here. This is not even red, but I'm going to go over with another one, which is red. This one looks even nice as well, but I want red. I'm gonna keep that for now. I really hope I can close this video and show you guys the end look with me getting dressed and showing my hair. I'm gonna try and see if I can curl these two little some on the side. I hope that it works. I like this color on my lips, but I'm gonna see because I do want a red. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm all dressed, hair is done. So I did a ponytail and I tried to kind of curl these two at the side a little bit. I didn't get as perfection as I wanted to, but it is what it is. This is the makeup look, guys. This is the look for my girl's 30th birthday. I'm gonna show you an outfit as well of the day, or should I say of the evening, what I chose. I'm just wondering whether I should go with a jacket or not. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm gonna try and show you with the jacket and without the jacket, and let me know what you think. So yeah guys, this is the look. I did a ponytail, really nice, really cute. I think the lips I might just keep it with this color here, this kind of berry color. Guys, the noise in the background is crazy, but anyway, we move. So I think I might just keep this this berry lip because it's really cute. It's really giving and I really like it. I might actually bring the red lipstick with me as well. And then yeah, but guys, I really hope you enjoyed this look. I'm gonna take you into the next step of things. So I'm gonna be documenting and showing a little clip and thing, and then yeah guys, so it's finally on my way. Yep, all ready. Just about leave out on time. Just about anyway. So yeah, should be good. Guys, so I'm going to just cut the video right there. Just to mention to you guys, can you believe that the makeup that I didn't powder my face at all, and I didn't spray it down? Can you believe it? I've missed that step. How can I miss that step? I don't know, but it hold up for the whole day, the whole evening, which is great. So yeah, just keep on watching and enjoy the rest of the mini vlog.
It's actually 28 on my birthday.
25.
I just want to say thank you all for joining me. You're all here for a reason. You all hold a special place in my heart, and I do value you, and I do pray that Papa God continues to bless you, to guide you, to favor you, and satisfy all your heart's desires. So here's to the big 3-0. 28. It's all a bit of a scam. It's actually supposed to be 2-8. They ran out the number. Yeah. To me!
So much for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't forget to leave loads of comments down below as well. And guys, I'll definitely see you in my next video, God willing.